5 habits you should really consider breaking right now. Stop having coffee first thing in the morning. When you have it right away, it makes it hard for your mind to naturally wake itself up. But if you have it a little bit later, it actually enhances the wake-up process. Stop giving stupid apps the privilege to notify you and completely interrupt your day. Keep notifications limited to the important communication and productivity apps. Stop trying to solve people's problems instead of actually listening to them. Most of the time, people just want to be heard, they want to be understood, they want to feel validated. They don't actually need your help in trying to solve their problems. Don't avoid giving compliments to other people. When you see someone and you really like what they're wearing or you really appreciate something that they said, tell them. When someone compliments that, it's like the best thing. Stop being so hard on yourself. The things that you're worried about, the things that you're stressed about, these are complicated things. Some of it isn't even your fault. It's your biology, it's your circumstances, it's all the experiences you've had colliding together. So have some compassion for yourself. Go easy on yourself, because it's kind of hard being a human in the 21st century.